Well, the market opened this Tuesday morning. Looks like the green on the screen continues. So that winning streak is definitely evident, but it's a very tentative start, you could say, for the markets. It's a bit flat, holding out at around the 13,380 plus mark for the Nifty. So up about 0.2% is where we started off the day. You've also got the Sensex, which is in the green by about 100 points, holding out at those very coveted levels of 45,500 plus. Do remember, across the globe you did have Wall Street, which came off a bit. You had the Asian markets, which were a little bit mixed as well, owing to the tentativeness on account of the post-Brexit deal. And the broader markets this morning are definitely shining. So you can see that strong degree of outperformance by the mid and the small cap indices. But sectorally, everything is looking good. Autos taking leadership, energy looking good, real estate, IT, PSU banks, infrastructure, all of those sectors are in the green. There's only a bit of red, and that's coming in on the metals basket in trade this morning. To the Nifty gainers then, and Maruti is taking the top slot, looking very good, inching gradually towards that 8,000 mark, so 7,955. You've got UPL very active. Take a look at Bajaj Auto, M&M, Divi's Laboratories, HDFC Life, Airtel, ONGC, Dr. Reddy's, Titan, and even L&T at about 1174 is firmly in the green. On the flip side though, Coal India loses out, Sun Pharma, something like IndusInd Bank and SBI in the red. RIL is a bit tentative, down 0.33%, continuing to look muted at 1951. You've got Bajaj Finserv as well as Tata Steel. Those are some of the stocks in the red. To some of the newsmakers then this morning, and you've got a few stocks in news. You've got NBCC, they secured business worth about 325 crores in the month of November. Canara Bank in focus on the back of that QIP, 2,000 crores at a floor price of 103.5. SJVN as well as in focus. They signed an MOU with IREDA. This is for green energy projects. Technocraft Industries, Abacus Emerging Opportunity Fund buying about 5.7 lakh shares in the counter at 311. And Titan is in focus as the company is a fully owned subsidiary, that's Fabaluba. They're looking to scale down operations over here. Checking in on the broader universe then, and clearly momentum is intact. Take a look at Omax, doing very well, 10%. You've got something like Lemon Tree Hotels firmly in the green. Chalet Hotels is having a terrific run. Equitas, HDFC, AMC, NCC, Central Bank, Godrej Properties, Aarti Industries, all of those stocks are up and away in today's trading session. On the flip side though, you've got APL Apollo Tubes, which is looking a little bit muted, something like Bosch's as well. You've got something like Praj Industries, rather, Bank of Maharashtra, Arvind, IFCI, those are stocks that are a bit muted. Nonetheless, it's a start where we're in the green, 13,400 on the index.